Nah, bro, what is this? I'm going to show you how to get an Uber Eats $100 discount just like you can see here. This is what it's going to look like. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to get a $100 Uber Eats promo code. So yeah, if you like Uber Eats, I mean, they got some good restaurants on that app. Then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So go to this website. It's called ogsnags.com. This site is really weird. They have like tons of different like discount codes and stuff. So it's a pretty saucy site to be on. So I'm going to type in Uber and there is going to be Uber codes to the driving service. So obviously we're going to go for the one that says Uber Eats. So just press on that and then press show coupon code and it's going to generate it for you. Personalized code only for you, has not been used. Now, before we can get the code, we need to press the button that says get full code. And it's going to bring us to another page, a sussy page. And it's going to ask us, do we like Uber Eats? Do we want to use it, keep it, or give it to a friend? I'll just do keep it. How many times a week do we shop? I'll just say I shop 3 times a week. All right, so before we can actually get our Uber Eats code, we now need to enter our email. This part's pretty important because they're obviously going to send it to this email. So let me just go ahead and put in my email address right here. So don't put an email that belongs to your mom, put your own email. And then it's going to say activating your reward. And then next thing is registering. So we need to register. It's not that fun, but it's pretty easy. You got to put like your name and stuff. If you don't trust me, like you can look up this whole thing. It's like totally legit. Rewards Giant, like they are a good provider of like discount codes and stuff. So even though they ask for like your address, like they're not going to send like a police officer to your house or something. Like why would you be afraid? So I'm just going to go ahead, fill this out, blah, blah, blah. It's not fun, but it's easy. And next thing is this survey. So for some reason they have a little survey they make you do. It's not very sketchy or anything. It's just kind of stupid. It's like, am I a homeowner? How often do I use a credit card? It's just answer the questions. If you don't really identify with some of the questions, maybe you're like 18 or something, you can kind of just like, I don't know, just do it. You don't have to really be telling the truth. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and finish this survey because it is not fun. But once again, kind of like filling out the registration info, it is pretty easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it right here, as you can see. All right, so once we finish the survey, guys, we should be good to go. So we are now going to see a thing that's going to be like, you're done, but I guess I have to finish the survey for that to pop up. So here it is. You can see press I agree and continue, and now we're done. Now, the next thing that's going to come up is the deals thing. This part is kind of weird, and you might not like it, but it is the final step. So before we actually get our Uber Eats promo code, we need to complete a deal. The deals generally range from signing up for Paramount Plus to downloading a game. And I wouldn't advise doing any of the deals besides the ones that pertain to games because they're free and all you have to do is download the game and usually reach a certain level on it. So for instance, they have this Monopoly Go one and it says reach level 18 on Monopoly Go. I don't really know how long that takes, but it can't be that hard. And you can see it says your cost $0, so it's totally free to do. Some of these other ones on here may be pretty sus, and if you don't even have a credit card because you're like young or something, you probably can't even do those. So just do like the Monopoly Go one, and you're going to be good to go.